Lepusheng, a leading brand in the correction tape industry. Quality stationery, Lepusheng. Founded in 1996, Guangdong Lepusheng Stationery Co Limited specializes in high-quality stationery, crafting excellence with dedication. Since the launch of our first correction tape in 1998, as a leading brand in the correction tape industry, we have continuously observed and learned. We strive to create better experiences and offer stationery products across multiple dimensions. Maintain original aspiration, achieve sustainable development. We integrate R&D, production and marketing, from the classic correction tape to pen-like, dual tape color, and one tape with dual width. From Lepusheng to multiple sub-brands, our product range includes the correction tape series, writing instrument series, educational tool series, and paper product series. Our products are distributed nationwide, with customers spanning Southeast Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the Middle East. We have established partnerships with major enterprises such as CR Vanguard, Carrefour, and Walmart, and our products have been popular for over 20 years. Continuous innovation, prospering business. Through technology, Lepusheng regularly exchanges ideas with Japanese, European R&D teams and customers to learn from their advanced experiences. In addition to significant investments in R&D, the company focuses on high-quality raw materials, high-precision molds, fully automated production lines, and strict adherence to ISO quality control standards. This ensures that every product is easy to use. Our years of R&D have continuously generated new ideas. As of June 2021, Lepusheng has accumulated over 327 patents of various types. It has been recognized as a Guangdong Province high-tech enterprise and one of the top 100 dynamic enterprises, and has won awards in multiple industrial design competitions. Lepusheng meets the needs of global stationery users through its products. As its business expands, the Lepusheng Industrial Park is set to commence production, introducing more advanced technology and equipment to comprehensively enhance its capabilities. Focus on quality, driven by innovation. As a leading representative in the industry, Lepusheng adheres to a user-centric approach, putting its philosophy into action and focusing on quality to become a first-class stationery brand and service platform. It strives to improve life through the beauty of stationery and promote the development and progress of global cultural products.